Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see underdefined sketch, fully defined sketch and overdefined sketch difference in SolidWorks. I selected the sketch command, select the plane on which I want to draw the sketch. Suppose I want to draw a circle, then I select a center of circle and specify the radius equal to some 100 mm. Then, diameter equal to 100 mm. Then I have drawn a circle. Now you can see that I can move the circle on this plane. It means this circle is not currently locked. Means in order to lock this circle, I have to lock this circle by specifying the other dimensions or fixing any of the point on this sketch. Now suppose I fix this center point, okay, make fix, then this circle turn into the black color. It means now this circle is fixed. Okay, now I delete this fix command. Again this circle will turn into the blue. Now blue color indicates it's under defined sketch and black color indicates the fully defined sketch. Now suppose I entered a dimension of this point with respect to this point is always equal to the what is suppose equal to the some 50 mm. Okay, then also this circle is not fixed, means I can move this circle along this vertical line. Okay, along this vertical line. So again if I want to fix this circle, what I can do, I can specify this vertical distance. Suppose this is some 20 mm. Okay, now you can see that this circle turn into black color. It means now it is fully defined. Now I have fixed this center point with respect to this origin. Okay, or else what I can do, I can directly fix the center point. Okay, now we'll again draw the rectangle. Now this is my rectangle. You can see over here directly relations are inserted horizontal. This line is vertical, this is horizontal, this is vertical. Now I can specify the dimensions of all these lines. Suppose this is 150, this is some 100 mm. Okay, now what we can see over here is that this circle is now currently blue in color, means it is underdefined. Currently this sketch is underdefined. In order to fully define, I need to fix any one of the points. Suppose I fix this and this H point. Okay, make fix and click OK. Then this geometry is now fully defined. But again I will delete this and I will try to specify this diagonal distance. Okay, now it is saying me that adding this dimension will make the sketch overdefined or unable to solve. It means what is happening, when I specify this equal to 100 mm, 150 mm, this diagonal distance is automatically fixed. Okay, means giving this dimension is of no use because this dimension is already fixed. Because what we can say that by using this two sides, perpendicular sides, by using Pythagoras theorem, this dimension can be easily evaluated by itself, by the software itself. That's why providing this dimension is of no use. Okay, so we make this dimension as driven dimension. Okay, now what is difference between driven dimension? It will maintain the relations of this dimension, these two dimension. Okay, that's why the color of this dimension is light black in color, this is dark black in color. Okay, now again if you want to convert this into fully defined sketch, what you can do is we can specify its dimension with respect to center. Now this is our center point, this H point. Okay, 180 mm as it is. Okay, now these two lines are basically fixed. Okay, what you can see is that these two lines are basically fixed, these two parallel lines. Now again for fixing these two lines, what we can do, that we can specify this vertical distance. Suppose this is equal to some 50 mm. Okay, again we have fixed this. So in this way we can convert underdefined geometry into the fully defined geometry. If again I try to specify this dimension. Okay, now it is again saying me that adding this dimension will make sketch overdefined or unable to solve. Do you want to add it as a driven dimension instead? Okay, or if I add this as driving dimension, then the geometry is basically yellow in color. It is saying me that this sketch is O defined, or this red geometries, which is unsolvable geometries, means it is very highly O defined. Okay, and so this relation is basically of no use. Again I told you, if I make this as driven, it will maintain other relationships. Okay, and if I make this driving, then this sketch will become O defined. Okay, so this is the basic difference between underdefined, O defined and fully defined sketches in SolidWorks. So in our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see trim entities command, extend entities, convert entities, intersection curve, and offset entities command. That's all. Thank you.